Pedir prestado. Pedir prestado. Pedir prestado. Pedir. Do you know? Well, this is like a phrasal verb. The first one, pedir. Pedir. That's the verb. Okay. Pedir. Okay. Prestado. Prestado is just, like a phrasal verb. You have to have that word, extra word, to use this verb in certain situations. Of course, pedir means to ask, okay? But when you say prestado, that means, that means, not that, to borrow. Pedir prestado. Pedir prestado. To borrow, okay? It could be money. It could be things, okay? Money or things. And prestado is an adjective and it means borrowed, okay? So essentially you're saying to ask borrowed, but that doesn't make that much sense in English, but you kind of have an idea of what we're talking about here. We're talking about borrowing something. Could be money or things. Let's look at some examples. Pedí prestado este libro. Pedí prestado este libro. Libro. Do you know what libro means? Libro means book. So you kind of know what you're borrowing. What are you borrowing? A book. Okay? So the meaning of this sentence is, I borrowed this book. Okay? Very simple. It's a very simple sentence. Pedí, that's past tense. When you say pedí prestado, that means I borrowed. I borrowed, okay? Pedí prestado. Pedí prestado. I borrowed. Este means this. So you have it, probably you're holding the book and you need to say this book that I'm holding. So este means this. Libro means book. El libro. Okay, remember, libro is a masculine noun. Pedí prestado este libro. I borrowed this book. Excellent. Let's look at the next example. Miguel pidió dinero prestado. Miguel pidió dinero prestado. Okay, so dinero, el dinero. So we're talking about money. So Miguel borrowed money. Very simple. It's a very simple sentence. And when you say pedir dinero prestado, this is something important to notice, to point out that dinero is in the middle of pedir and prestado. Okay? So if you say Miguel pidió prestado dinero, it makes sense, but it's better if you put like dinero in the middle of the two words. Miguel pidió dinero prestado. Miguel borrowed money. Okay, so very simple. You have the subject, the person, Miguel, pidió prestado, borrowed dinero, money. Okay, very easy. Nothing too complicated. If you want to say that you or I, borrowed some money, I can say yo. You don't have to add yo, but if you want to, you can. Yo pedí dinero prestado. Okay? I borrowed money. Okay? So that's easy. That's easy. As I said, you don't have to put yo. You don't have to add to have yo there. So you can just say pedí dinero prestado. Okay? And that's great. It sounds more natural. But of course, you can have yo. Yo pedí dinero prestado. I borrowed money. Okay? Or pedí dinero prestado. I borrowed money. Okay, so this is a great phrasal verb, Spanish phrasal verb. Remember, you need to have prestado. Okay? Because if you don't have prestado, it sounds incomplete. If you say pedí dinero, if you have it just like this. This means I asked for money. Okay? So I asked for money. That's something different. But if you have pedí dinero prestado, now you're saying that you borrowed some money. Okay? Or I, in this situation, I borrowed money. Excellent. Excellent.